In this video, let's see how to apply for a Tesco Bank credit card online. Click on the Tesco Bank link in the search results. Select your preferred card from the options. Click Learn More and apply on the credit card details page. Press Apply now to start the application process. Click Next to proceed with the application. Click the Next button to proceed. Check the box to confirm you can say yes to all the statements. Click the Apply Now button to continue. Enter your first name in the form field. Enter your last name in the form field. Select the day from the date of birth drop-down menu in the form. Choose the month from the date of birth drop-down menu. Select the year from the date of birth drop-down menu. Enter your postcode in the designated field in the form. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the form. Select a title from the drop-down menu in the Your Details section. Choose a country of birth from the drop-down menu in the form. Select a country of nationality from the drop-down menu in the form. In the form, fill all the necessary details and apply. Tesco will run a credit check and let you know the credit card status. That's how you can apply for Tesco credit card online.